So how are we going to fix this broken iPod? Well, you're going to need a couple things. A rock, some color putty, a sock, a weed whacker. Take your sock, right? Make sure it's flipped inside out, all right? Then you're going to get your rock, put that rock in the sock. All right, place your phone down and you're just gonna hit it. Now, as you can see, it's still not 100% fixed. Get some pencil shreddings. All right, sprinkle it on top. Take your color putty, open that bad boy up. Take your sock rock, place it right on top, and say the magic words. No way! Wow!